Hey guys! Today we're going to be testing out ringtones. Alright, let's start with the first one, silent. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Dun-dun-dun. Alright, nice. Ah, yeah, bruh. I remember that one. Ah, yeah, that one brings back some memories too. What the heck is that? Alright, next one. Nice. Nah, bro. Who be using that one, bro? Nah, bro. No. Pretty nice. Ice Cube. Many men. Oh wait, no, that's 50 Cent. Okay, yeah, no, that does not represent Ice Cube at all. Yachts. Alright, that's a pretty good one. Not good. Alright, next one. Bling, 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 bling. What the heck is that? Boom, boom. That does not sound like a pebble. Boom, boom. Sounds more like a trumpet or something. I don't know. It's like a xylophone. Hey, I know that one. Nice. Oh, I'm ascending. Alright, next one. Okay, yeah, that one's pretty good. Ah, yeah. Oh my gosh. Yo, bro, that is fire. My ears! My ears hurt. My ears burn. Yeah. Bro, these are fire, bro. Get yourself an LG, bro, I swear.